lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Coral in motion for both sides of the field. First landing for the Blue Alliance up on L4. One falls down into the trough. Another attempt comes from a member of the Blue Alliance. Stenfeld DNA Robotics get their second. A total of 4 up on L4 for the Red Alliance, though. That'll give them the early lead with drivers in control for the remainder of match number 83 on the Hopper division. First teleoperated scoring comes from Royal Robotics on the Red Alliance. They take aim at L3, leaving L4 to their alliance partner, Automation Nation. Checking out the action on the Blue Reef, all of that Coral so far, either on L4 or a lucky fall down into the trough at L1. Algae in motion also already. Tight match so far. We have 3 Algae in the Blue Alliance barge and 1 Algae in red. First Algae does pass through the processor on both sides of the field, making their way toward that co-op. Second one now moves in from Automation Nation, while their alliance partner Royal intakes up off the floor, and Lunas drops off Coral on level 3 of that Red Alliance reef. Co-op indicated for the Red Alliance, still 1 Algae to process for the Blue Alliance to do the same. Reef progress at 1 out of 4 so far on both sides of the field. All Coral for Blue at this moment in time. They do have a few options for Algae, though. We see Gear Gremlins pick one out of that reef, giving some room on level 3. Gear Gremlins, they toss that Algae up into the Blue Alliance barge. Under 1 minute of match play remaining, while Dayvolt now processes that last Algae through the Blue Alliance processor. It gets passed on over to the human player from Lunas Robotics. They toss on up and score 4 points for Red. All tied up momentarily now with only 3 of those reef levels needing to be completed. It looks like both of our teams might be very close to achieving that ranking point. On the red side, they are shy. Now they are no longer shy. They did score 7 on all 3 of those purple nodes. Over on blue, they are shy down on L2. 20 seconds remaining. Let's see what these teams prioritize. Denfeld's looking at L2. Alliance partner reaching up. Gear Gremlins on L4, trying to take the match in the final 10 seconds. It'll come down to which robots are up off the playing field floor in the final moments of qualification match number 83. The Red Alliance victory. 214 to 180 in qualification match 83 on Hopper. Red Alliance takes 6 ranking points. That's going to move all of those teams up in the rankings. Blue Alliance takes home the Coral